In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a social media website on Wix 2026 guide. We'll build a functional community space where people can register, share posts, and interact, all using Wix's built-in tools. Start by logging into your Wix dashboard and selecting Create New Site. When asked about your site type, choose Community or Social, so Wix recommends the right features from the start. You can pick a pre-designed template for a fast launch or start from scratch if you want total creative control. Templates are great because you can replace the sample content and keep moving while still being able to customize every section later. Next, enable member functionality. Add the Wix Members Area app to your site. This is the core of your social platform because it lets visitors sign up, log in, and manage personal profiles. You can organize what members see versus what the public sees, keeping certain pages exclusive to logged in users. This also lays the groundwork for profile pages and direct access to community features. Now add interactive features so your members can actually post and connect. Install Wix Forum if you want topic-based conversations and threads, or choose Wix Blog for articles and updates that members can contribute to. Either way, turn on social tools like comments and likes so interactions feel lively and natural. Create dedicated pages for your main feed, member profiles, and private messages, and add them to your site's navigation so they're easy to find. A clear structure helps members jump between posting, checking their notifications, and updating their profiles without confusion. With the mechanics in place, it's time to brand and design. Adjust your colors, fonts, and layout to match your identity, and ensure everything is consistent across pages. Keep navigation intuitive. Your community feed and profile settings should be prominent in the header or main menu. Don't forget to check the mobile layout. Most people will engage on their phones, so buttons, text, and images should be easy to tap and read. Before going live, preview your site thoroughly. Create a test account, walk through the sign-up process, publish a sample post, and verify that likes and comments behave as expected. Browse as both a visitor and a member on desktop and mobile to catch anything out of place. When everything works smoothly, click Publish to make your social media website live. You can continue updating content and design after launch without disrupting your community. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in my next one.